or not, no doubt it's the work of that nefarious crew, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the Evil Emperor Zurg.
Licensing requires that you remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your space cruiser. And be sure to supervise other space crew. Please stay forward to the back of your seat.
Wait, okay,
Captain, join me and together we will defeat Buzz Lightyear. Resistance is pointless.
It's been an honor serving with you. Share the status board to determine your rank, and don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Share the status board to determine your rank, and don't